Could Apple be preparing to change the game when it comes to budget smartphones? A leaked video has given us a sneak peek at what's rumored to be the next iPhone SE, possibly called the iPhone 16e. With some impressive upgrades and a fresh design, this might not just be another affordable option, but rather a device that could redefine expectations for budget-friendly smartphones in 2025. Let's take a closer look at what these leaks are revealing. The video shows a model that could either be a prototype or a dummy unit of the iPhone 16e, and the design changes are striking. On the front, it bears a resemblance to the iPhone 14, complete with the familiar notch. However, the back is where things get interesting. Instead of the dual camera setup found on the iPhone 14, this device has only one rear camera. While that might seem like a downgrade, it could be a strategic move to keep costs lower while still offering a sleek and modern look. But the real story is inside. The iPhone 16e is rumored to be packing 8 gigabytes of random access memory, a huge jump from its predecessors. This means faster performance, smoother multitasking, and better support for Apple's growing focus on artificial intelligence. With more AI features expected in this model, it's clear that Apple wants to bring powerful technology to a more affordable device, and the iPhone 16e could be a serious contender in the budget smartphone market. The leaked video also cleared up some earlier rumors about Pixel-like casings. It turns out these casings might not belong to the iPhone SE at all, but could be related to another device, possibly the iPhone 17 Air. While this remains uncertain, it adds an element of excitement about what else Apple might be working on behind the scenes. One of the most significant changes that the iPhone 16e could introduce is Apple's in-house cellular modem. If this modem performs well, it could eventually replace third-party suppliers for key components in Apple's smartphones, potentially saving the company money and improving connectivity performance. This could also have broader implications for future iPhones, making it a potentially game-changing move for the tech giant. Now, the big question, will the iPhone 16e still be affordable? While it's rumored that the new model may come with a slight price increase, many believe it will still be one of the most cost-effective ways to experience iOS. With current iPhone SE stocks running low in stores, it seems Apple is preparing to introduce the next generation sooner than we think. There's also the issue of whether Apple should have kept the older iPhone SE available at a reduced price. Some argue that keeping the old model around could have attracted more budget-conscious buyers, but Apple seems confident that the new features will justify the higher price point. It's a bold bet, but if the iPhone 16e delivers on its promises, it could easily make up for the price difference. When looking at the bigger picture, the iPhone 16e could be Apple's shining moment in a year where other flagship phones haven't quite lived up to the hype. The iPhone 60 lineup didn't meet expectations, and even the Galaxy S25 failed to make a lasting impression. If Apple gets it right, the iPhone 16e could stand out as the budget phone to beat in 2025. What's your take? Do you think the iPhone 16e will live up to the hype and redefine budget smartphones, or will it fall short? Let us know in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest tech news and leaks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Ever wondered why some smartphones struggle with heat while others seem to handle it effortlessly? Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra may have just cracked the code. With cutting-edge performance and an upgraded cooling system, it promises to give users the ultimate smartphone experience without the worry of overheating. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform, a custom-designed chipset that powers this device to new heights. This platform boosts the central processing unit's speed by 37%, enhances graphics by 30%, and improves the neural processing unit's performance by a hopping 40% compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. These upgrades offer incredible speed and efficiency, but with high performance often comes the issue of heat. Overheating is a well-known problem with many powerful smartphones, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite Mobile is no exception. Under heavy use, devices with this chipset could become uncomfortably warm, leaving users wondering whether the Galaxy S25 Ultra would face similar issues. Fortunately, Samsung has designed an innovative cooling system to keep those concerns at bay. The Galaxy S25 Ultra comes equipped with a significantly improved heat dissipation system. One of the standout features is its larger vapor chamber, which is 40% bigger than the one found in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This expanded chamber works by more efficiently spreading the heat across the device's components. Samsung has also introduced a new thermal interface material that further enhances the cooling process, ensuring the phone stays cool, even during intense tasks like gaming or using artificial intelligence-powered applications. When tech enthusiasts and reviewers compare the cooling systems of the S25 Ultra and S24 Ultra, the difference was clear. The enlarged vapor chamber in the S25 Ultra provides much better heat management, offering peace of mind to users who demand top-tier performance. With this upgrade, Samsung has all but eliminated the problem of overheating, making it a top contender in the flagship smartphone market. Why is this so important? Because a high-performance chipset can only deliver on its potential if it stays cool under pressure. Excessive heat not only slows down performance, but can also shorten the phone's lifespan. Many high-end smartphones, such as the Realme GT7 Pro, Honor Magic 7 Pro, and OnePlus 13, are prone to overheating during demanding use, causing throttling or shutdowns. But with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, users can expect consistent, fast speeds no matter the task at hand. Samsung's approach with the S25 Ultra shows how effective design and engineering can work together. By pairing the raw power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform with the next-level cooling system, Samsung ensures that the S25 Ultra remains efficient even during the most resource-heavy applications. Whether you're gaming for hours, streaming high-definition videos, or multitasking with demanding apps, this smartphone has you covered. What's even more impressive is that Samsung has managed to make the Galaxy S25 Ultra more efficient overall. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Mobile is an overclocked version of its standard model, which could have introduced more heat issues. However, thanks to the smarter vapor chamber and thermal material, Samsung has managed to control the heat, turning what could have been a drawback into a major selling point. What do you think about Samsung's new cooling technology? Could this be the breakthrough the smartphone industry has been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more exciting updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. The iPhone 17 is creating quite a buzz, with rumors and leaks painting a picture of what could be a major evolution in Apple's flagship smartphone lineup. As the tech world eagerly waits for the official announcement, the iPhone 17 Pro is one model that stands out, particularly because of its potential design overhaul, especially when it comes to the rear camera system. While Apple is known for its meticulous and minimalistic design, it seems they might be taking a few bold cues from other players in the market this time around. In fact, some of the updates are reminiscent of the design language used by Google's Pixel phones. One of the most talked about changes in the iPhone 17 Pro is its rear camera setup. Leaks suggest that Apple might be opting for a larger, vertically elongated camera island, which would be a departure from the more compact design of previous iPhone models. This change seems to be inspired by the design of Google's Pixel series, known for its sleek, minimalist camera island. However, Apple is taking it up a notch, making the rear camera system bulkier. While the Pixel models tend to keep their rear cameras thin and understated, the iPhone 17 Pro's larger camera island may seem like a move to incorporate more advanced technology, but it's also giving some people pause. It's clear that Apple is trying to push the limits of its design language, but it might not be landing as elegantly as they hoped. Another aspect of the new camera design that's raising eyebrows is the repositioning of the flash and sensor. With this new layout, Apple seems to be maximizing the available space to improve the camera's capabilities. While this could lead to better overall performance, there's a bit of awkwardness in the new look, and it might take some getting used to. The design feels a bit bulkier and less refined than the streamlined aesthetic Apple typically delivers. It's a noticeable change, and it might divide opinions among longtime iPhone fans who have grown accustomed to the sleek rear camera designs of previous models.